So today we're going to be looking at some equations of lines. Okay, so first of all we're going to look at this blue line and we need to have the equation of a line. Now horizontal or vertical lines we're going to describe as either y equals something or x equals something. So this goes through at 1 and the big decision is this y equals 1 or x equals 1? Now there's two ways to remember this. One, here we have a value of 0, 1. The y value is 1, so it's y equals 1. For my students who struggle with that, we often say it's y like the sky. So if you're doing it numerically with a number, y like the sky will work. So consequently, if I had a line here that went through -2 and it was straight, I would call that y equals -2 because it's horizontal, y like the sky. Right, so if it's not y like the sky, it must be x. So this is something equals 3, this will be x equals 3. If I had a line here, this will be x equals -1. Now, there's two other important lines we need to get. The one that goes dead diagonally, like this, where this point would be 1, 1, this point would be 2, 2, this point would be 3, 3, this point is -1, -1. This line is called y equals x. The y value and the x value are the same throughout this line. Now, there's another one that your exam board will expect you to know, which is very similar. The angle is the same. It just goes downhill rather than uphill. So rather than y equals x, it's y equals -x. Okay, other two final lines. Now this line, following my number rule, it's not y like the sky, it's this way. So this is called x equals 0. However, the other way of describing this is the y-axis. So pick which way you're doing it. You either describe it as the axes or you stick to the number rule and then we'll be fine. Now, so this line going here, you can either describe this as the x-axis or, bear in mind it's y like the sky, it's horizontal, it's y equals 0. It has no height. If you think that's at the 0 line. Now there's a task online, get on with it and good luck.